Holy Shib, guys. We are going parabolic right now. Shiba Inu has decoupled a little bit from BTC and it's going on its own run. I mean, this is exactly what you'd like to see in the charts. Now, I want to get into a little bit of a caution here. I'll get into this in just a second, but anybody who thinks that Shib is not going parabolic, this is the exact definition of a parabola. All right, we are following that perfectly. Now, the reason I'm exercising a little caution here, okay, a few things. Shib has now gotten into this 5078 range between there and 5080. This is a range, a band that Shib has struggled with a little bit. So obviously we broke through this and we came back down. Now we're sitting in this range a little bit. So Shib is struggling a little bit here. And this is while BTC has pulled back a little bit. We're sitting in the low 34s now. We actually went on a nice little run yesterday. We broke 35K, brought in new yearly highs. I mean, these are the things that you want to see happening in the charts right now. This extreme strength in the market. I want to see continued support here, and we are in fact getting this. Now, the reason I'm exercising caution is if you look, we have Doge up about 10%. We have Shib up about 8%, and Avalanche up about 8%, while most of the assets are somewhere between, 3-4% or lower. So we have double the gains right now. These are always the times that I kind of pump the brakes just a little bit. Okay. And this isn't FUD or anything like that. First of all, I don't buy into green candles. All right. I'm sitting here. I'm sitting on my hands. I'm waiting to see what happens. Would not be surprised again if we come back down, get a little bit more tempered of a pump. But at the same time, if there's enough FOMO, we could explode right out of here and break up to about 4010 between there and 4012. Okay. This is the potential that lies here for Shib right now. Typically, when there's a lot of excitement about it, it runs hard. You guys don't believe me? Look at what has happened on some of these past pumps that we've had, right? And even if we go back to where we started the year, right? Shib going parabolic is not a new thing, all right? This has been a very consistent trend for Shiba Inu in the past, and the optics and the fundamentals and things like that we've talked about a nauseating amount here on the channel, they haven't changed. They've continued to get better. So know that run is there. But right now, we haven't had that really good news yet, at least not that I've seen, and maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's something that happened that I missed this morning, but Shib is doing its own thing right now. Decorrelations should not be happening quite yet. Okay. Not until we get to the halving. That's when assets are going to start doing their own thing. There'll be less of a correlation to BTC, but right now we should be pretty tempered in our runs here. So I'm thinking there's still a little capital matriculating around the space. We are at $1.27 trillion in terms of market cap. So we're at the yearly high there. So we're starting again to see some of that inflow from outside the space. So these are all things to kind of monitor and pay attention to. But yes, Shib is going parabolic. We'll see if it continues today. I'm hoping that we do, and hopefully we get some great news as another big catalyst to continue pushing the market up further. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Let me know your thoughts. I want to hear where you guys think we are headed from here. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.